What's good, World Squad? You know I had to come back and hit y'all with another play. I know it's been a minute, but man, my whole household got hit with the virus. That kind of threw everything off, but thank God we've been pretty much able to get back close to 100%. But you know I had to come and keep the family updated with what's going on. Man, I'm super excited and pumped. I was able to drop my first. Now, I had a kid's book already, if you guys didn't know, more than a March. But I was able to drop my first book pertaining to Amazon. So I know if you guys subscribe to the channel, you've been following, you've been watching, but this book is predominantly or geared towards private labeling, right? Because a lot of people see the books and they see how profitable it could be, but they're like, Trav, man, I don't want to flip books, even though the ROI is crazy, right? I'm like, I don't know why y'all want to do that, but I created this book just in case you wanted to leverage the FBA model, right? And sell any product or create your own brand. So I break down a step-by-step, it's a short read, a blueprint that gives you the game on how you guys can create your very own business and run it from anywhere in the world. Those are some of the top objections I get, or the things that I see that hold people back really from starting their Amazon business the way that I did. They're like, you know, Trav, I don't have a warehouse. Like, I don't want to fulfill orders. So I created that book specifically for them, the FBA route, and to choose any product you like, how to get it manufactured, how to negotiate with these companies, these manufacturers to get the best rate. And it's pretty much after the negotiation, hands off after you get your sample product. So I'm super excited about that. Getting that launch. The ones that's following me on IG, if you haven't already, y'all slide over there to IG and follow your boy at Travis_GWV. Man, y'all been able to keep my book in the top 1% of all books on Amazon. So I truly appreciate you guys showing me that much support. Man, it's truly amazing. My goal is to create or start 100,000 people in the Amazon business, or help them create their own Amazon business. You know, I've probably helped at least 50 to 100 so far, but man, I got a long way to go. So hey, let's get into this Amazon game. It's a great way to add another asset to your portfolio and generate some passive or semi-passive income, depending on which route you want to go with it. So yeah, I just came to keep you guys updated. I'm gonna get back into the flow, keep bringing the heat. I thank you guys so much for staying with me, rocking with me, even though you guys didn't know what was going on. Also, the part and play number 2. So I was putting together 2 while I was down a little. I was putting together a second play while I was down a little bit. So while I'm flipping the books and still doing the Amazon, that's going to continue to be a staple. Guys, starting last Friday, I got back into real estate. So if you didn't know the story is before, me and my wife back in 2019, we started this real estate business. And you know what happened, hit, and that kind of slowed us down a little bit. But now in 2022, it's time to crank it back up. So I am going to document, along with the Amazon stuff and the different ways to make money, my journey to my first deal, right? My first real estate deal in 2022, right here in the channel. Y'all can follow me all the way till I get to it. And man, it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be super exciting. Y'all gonna see all the downfalls. I've been going live on my IG showing the times that I got cursed out or hung up on. So yeah, y'all laugh at my pain, enjoy the journey. And it's just to encourage you guys to, no matter if you get the deal in the first week or you don't get a deal to the next 2 years, to stay consistent, because your time is coming. And I truly believe that. So throughout this first week, no deals. I've been talking to a lot of sellers, trying to negotiate it, trying to negotiate with them to get a deal that works both for them and for me. Unfortunately, at this time, the sellers that I talked to so far, they want a good bit over market value, and I'm going to break that down. I truly believe whether you have, you know, your Amazon business running up or not, or whatever business you are in, that real estate is a pillar of wealth, right? So no matter what you're doing, let's take those funds, right, on whatever you're doing, and let's wrap them into real estate to generate some more passive income to pay for your liabilities. And I think, you know, whenever we're working, that's our active income. So if you have a job, we should be taking, after you pay your bills, just in my opinion or my perspective, after you pay your bills, you know, do the little things that you need to do, but everything extra after that needs to be going towards either investing or creating, right, another asset or something that generates money passively, right? And that's the play money, right? The passive money. That's the money that, you know, you can spend. And I really believe that, you know, your wealth depends on your passive. So if you're currently working a job, and I have nothing against working a job, because hey, you got to start from somewhere. You got to do what you got to do. But I don't feel that you're truly wealthy until you can keep generating that money no matter what happens. So you know, if you get injured at work and you can no longer work, and the benefit plan or whatever plan you have doesn't cover that, or God forbid, you know, if we passed away or something, till that money start coming in. So I'm building up my game. I have a few passive income streams now that generates me a little bit of money, you know, to build my generational wealth. But I want to create that and grow as strong as my active income, right? That's the game. That's what we need to be into, and that's what we need to be focused on to take this bad boy to another level. So next video, I'm gonna keep you up to date. I'm gonna check in and let y'all know how my day went, what's my strategy, what am I doing in real estate, how you can really get started with little or no money. I think a lot of the times people think you need, you know, hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars to buy all these houses. But really, guys, it's about your skills, right? If you don't have the money, you can learn, get those skills, and be playing on that same level as the big dog. So, hey, I'm going to keep y'all up to date. I hope everybody is out there blessed, healthy, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Let's go.